to the non-active volcano mountain. Because the volcano one, what was it called again?
Two volcanoes. One's active, one's not active.
The non-active one is the one we're gonna go and downhill on bikes all the way down to the bottom town, and then we'll have dinner there with a guide.
Normal Bali coffee, this one without sugar. And the next number second, we have hot cacao. The hot cacao, that one also without sugar. That's one 100% chocolate. And number third, we have ginseng coffee.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Back of the bus. Time to ride.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
That take only 3 months to grow. You can see more closer. Yeah.
It's like wheat. It's the top part, right? Sorry.
That take 3 months to grow. 3 till 4 times to harvesting in a year. Yeah. They're growing rice 2 months underwater, 1 month without water. So they have to make the ground, the earth like this, and then seeds of rice growing up. 15 kilogram dry rice without skin. I mean, right now still heavy, maybe around 25 or 30 kilogram. But after they dry and then take the skin off, it will be 15 kilogram.
How do they
dry
take the
rice
skin
with
off?
us.
And then after that, they let it dry.
Yeah,
They stop the water?
1 month before harvesting.
Ah.
When the plants of rice, they grow about 50-60 centimeters from the mud, and then they block the water going in.
Bye. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.